Unboxing. LR5000 is a low-voltage battery, with 16 pieces of 3.2-volt lithium iron phosphate cells and YelonESS self-developed BMS. Here is the parameter label and warning label. Accessories inside the package. Install. LR5000 is equipped with supporting frames for easy stacking installation. There are positioning pins and positioning holes on the supporting frame for easy stacking. Lock the buckles to fix the stacked batteries. Wiring. Take off the safety cap of the negative and positive terminals and connect the negative and positive terminals in parallel. Communication cable connection. Use the communication cable to connect the communication interface link A to link B. Connect the grounding cable to the grounding hole on the battery, and fix the crimp terminal with the screw on the grounding hole. Connect the other end to the grounding switch in the distribution box. Connect the inverter. Connect the inverter and the first battery with the power cable. Connect the CAN communication interfaces of the inverter and the first battery with the communication cable. Set master and slave battery. The ADD is a dip switches for coding batteries. Toggle the ADD switch of the first battery. For the other batteries, please refer to this figure. Running test. Press the power rocker switch from the first battery to the last. Press and hold the SW button of first battery until the running light flashes. The SOC indicators of each battery will light up in turn. The batteries boot up successfully. Now you can check the battery status on the inverter. Commission. Connect the communication stick YCOM and boot up the battery. You can download app from the Apple Store. yCloud app simple presentation. You can sign up with your mobile phone number or email. Log in. Add your device by scanning the QR code or entering the SN code. Network connection. Click Bluetooth connection. Enter the Bluetooth connection page and select your device model to be connected. After the connection is completed, click Next. Select region. Choose the Wi-Fi name and enter the password. Click OK. After the above steps, the connection is completed. Now, you can check the real-time status of your devices on the app.